day. Minute or so, pull up to where my mom is at, and she makes these handmade jewelry, and I want you guys to check it out, and I want you guys to give me your honest opinion of what you think of this. Okay? All right, let's go. Look, this is where I get all the beautiful looks from. This is the jewelry maker right here. This is mommy right here. So guys, these are the jewelry that I was telling you guys about. The handmade, handcrafted keychains. These are all custom made. You can get custom things added, more accessories. Don't mind my ashy hands, guys. But yeah. All handmade with love.